What's going on, everybody? I'm Chrissy Whispers. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to do a video, talk about some stuff that I purchased for myself, some stuff that's going on in the Pokemon community, and going to talk about it. Let's jump into it. All right, guys. So I don't know if you've heard, but I've heard and I've come to see that Silver Tempest and Lost Origin was announced to receive a reprint. Most of what we hear about reprints is total bullshit. If you guys are like me, we've been hearing about these Evolving Skies reprints that have been coming forever. This was a real reprint. We got booster boxes and everything. Lost Origin, Silver Tempest. Now, the reason I want to bring this up is because I purchased 2 booster boxes of Scarlet Violet base set, a booster box of Lost Origin, and a booster box of Silver Tempest. And here's why. I don't consider myself much of an investor. I'm not savvy. I don't follow charts on a daily basis, but I have a brain, I have eyes. I've looked at some stuff and I've watched some videos. I'll be very honest with you. Alex from Nostalgianomics, Rudy. If you guys don't know who Rudy is, shame on you. Start watching Rudy. Rudy's the best. Alpha Investments. Pokemon 100% could be, as a sealed product, could be an investment. I know people laugh at that thought, but I don't really give a shit. I just spent $400 after shipping. Cost me like $444, whatever it was, in that range, within $5. I got 4 booster boxes. If you average it out, I kind of paid high for the Scarlet Violet booster boxes, I guess. But I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to show you guys TCG Player, and I'm going to show you guys why I bought in and why I think it's a good time to buy in, with a little bonus tip at the end, I guess. So let's look at the Scarlet Violet booster boxes. Nobody seems to want these, right? $95. That's below wholesale. That's below distributor prices. That's like stupid cheap. If you consider yourself an investor, don't believe all of the set sucks, this sucks, blah 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 blah. When I first came back into the hobby like a year ago, Fusion Strike was the worst set ever. Chilling Reign was the worst set ever. Vivid Voltage, there was mad hype around that set, but like, I'm sorry, that set sucks, guys. That set sucks. Vivid Voltage sucks. It's got 1 card. That set sucks. I digress. How much are all of those booster boxes going for? Not $95. When I first came back in, I wanted to make money opening packs. That was my mindset on what I was going to do. I was going to open packs, collect, make money on the big hits, sell those, buy more and just, that was the idea. I've said it a million times. That's not the move. But when I was doing that, I was looking at the prices of the booster boxes. I was looking at the hits. I wanted to see the likelihood. I didn't know pull rates or any of that stuff. But I noticed that, I want to say Fusion Strike was $99 for the longest time. It was for months, $99. Personally, I love Fusion Strike. I opened 3 booster boxes myself before I knew better. Before I knew, well, I guess before I knew that all the hits were taken out, but I didn't know. But it was $99. That's dirt cheap. Let's take a look at Fusion Strike right now, actually. What do you know? $140 1 year ago. Oh, let's see. Look at that, on the money, $98, $99. You can call it an investment. You can call it a short-term hold and flip. You can call it whatever you want. Now, I understand why all of these sets have spiked up. I do understand why. Because they're out of print. So you're telling me I can get the base set Scarlet Violet now at $95. Doesn't matter if it's going to take 2 years for those booster boxes to go up. I don't care. That's dead money to me. This is this is just a hobby, a side thing, extra money that I don't need. So that money, anything that I purchased and plan to hold sealed, is dead money. It's gone. Unless it goes up and I'll sell it. That's the move. So, in case you were wondering why I bought 2 boxes of Scarlet Violet, it was in a bundle. It came with a booster box of Silver Tempest and Lost Origin. So anyways, moving on from Scarlet Violet. Great time, $95. Silver Tempest had a little reprint. It's already gone back up to $130, which is fine. I guess that's fine. But it was $140 like 2 weeks ago. In December, it was $100. I just bought it at 112 bucks average. It's only gonna go up, you know what I mean? It's gonna go up just like the Lost Origin. Let's take a look at that. It's gonna go up, already back to 134, 135. What are we talking about? Anyways, back to the bonus tip. Due to the reprints, the big hitters in these sets have also seen a retraction in price. So if you were looking to get the Giratina V alternate full art, or even the Lugia V alternate full art, now might not be a bad time to buy it. Truthfully, they might go down because all this has gone down honestly before or around the time of the reprint. If you look at the price and the time, the reprint just happened, so all of the boxes just spiked down. So you have to assume that these people are going to be opening up all these boxes that just sold. Not everybody's buying these things and putting them on a shelf and forgetting about them. A lot of people have to be opening this stuff up. I mean, look how many cards are on the market. There's 93 of these cards just on TCG Player. So people are opening them up. So I'm assuming once these boxes show up at people's houses in a week or two, whatever it is, even a week, there's going to be more of these cards on the market. So this is probably, both of these cards are probably going to go down even still a little bit. Damaged holo foil for 200 bucks. Gross. I don't condone buying cards at 200 bucks, 300 bucks. This ain't my gig. If you want, you could buy and try to grade them. You could, if you want. I don't recommend doing that off a TCG Player. Near mint, what is considered near mint on TCG Player is kind of broad, not necessarily going to be what you think. Let's put it like this: near mint on TCG Player is not a PSA 10. Not a PSA 10. You could get one that's a PSA 10, but I think it would be more realistic to not expect a PSA 10. But if you're just into collecting and you love Giratina, you love Lugia, I do have the gold Lugia Secret Rare graded in a 10, and I way overpaid for that. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you guys what I've been purchasing. 4 booster boxes cost me about 450 bucks. I plan to keep and hold until I can turn a profit on them. Until eternity, until I find something that I want to buy and I need the money. I could sell these, I could use these for leverage on a trade. I bought 4 booster boxes and I wanted to tell you guys. Showed you guys some charts, showed you guys some graphs. Just saying, might be a good time for you guys to buy some stuff too. See you later.